Hi guys. Hi. So today I'm doing a suicidal extreme spicy noodle challenge. We have the regular one that I've already tried. That's in this bowl. And we have the 2 times as spicy as the regular one. 2 times as spicy, yes. So, that's in this bowl. I haven't mixed it yet because I filmed this already, but well, the beginning part, but my phone decided to die, so now I shall mix it. I've already boiled the noodles and everything, and oh my god, you can tell this one's more spicy because it's so much darker. Well, to me it is. It's darker than the first one. Maybe you guys can't tell the difference, but I can. It smells spicy. Okay, so I'm gonna be eating both of them by myself. And I'm gonna be comparing the taste. Some got on my finger. I almost licked it not doing that. No, no. So, yeah. Without further ado. Oh, yeah. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you want to see me hiccup, subscribe. Or hear me hiccup. Because I tend to, if you watch my past videos eating spicy food, I always hiccup. I don't know why. So, yeah. And I've poured I only used half of each packet. Half of the noodles from each packet because eating the whole of each packet would be too much. So, but I did put the entire bag of sauce of the hot spicy sauce and the seasonings inside of it because I'm crazy. But whatever. That's okay. It's all for you. So, oh yeah, don't forget to hit the like button. So let's try the first one that I've already eaten. Ooh. Mm. Okay. My eyes are gonna water. Are my lips red yet? Oh my god, they're red. They're like an orangey red. My eyes are watering. I've only taken 1 spoon. Mm-hmm. Maybe it's spicy, but it tastes good. Jesus Christ. I haven't even finished it. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. Why do I do this to myself? I need pure so rosy. Ew, look at this chin. Oh my god. Oh, not that low. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear her, but my mom's laughing at me in the background. Anyways, I just wanted it to settle a little bit, even though I'm still hiccuping. I'm leaving this one's there. Now time for this one. In the name of entertainment, do it for the tube. 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 Take a deep breath, Lulu. Take a deep breath, Lulu. Let's do a 2 times spicy one. We'll see. I think a hiccup stopped for now. Wait. I was just about to say that this isn't spicier. It builds up. My lips are on fire. Literally, it feels like if there's fire like on my lips. Oh my god. The longer I go without eating it, the hotter my mouth gets. It's like eating wasabi. I said I was gonna do this without drinking anything. I might cry though. Oh my god. What's wrong with me, guys? No, really, what's wrong with me? I don't know. I'm gonna attempt to eat another spoon. I'm telling you, when you're crazy, really crazy. I'm starting to sweat. I can't do it no more. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Huh? Oh my god. I'm crying. Oh, thank God for milk. Why? Why did I eat so much? Y'all want to see how much I ate? This is a 2 times spicy one. And this is the 1 time spicy. Oh, God. Can you see? I'm crying. My lips are burning. Red. What the fuck off, man? A little more milk. Okay. I think I can talk now. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. tell you, I cried. I was crying. Oh my god. Lips are burning still. Not as bad as before because I wiped off on the sauce. So yeah, if you found that entertaining, I can't talk loud. If you found that entertaining, click the like button, subscribe right now, and don't forget to hit the notification so that you know when I do crazy crap like this again. I'm gonna go stick my head in a bowl of ice. Y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching.